Today we're going to fix this wobbly chair. We need to find the culprit in all of this, and I suspect it's the legs.
Wobble baby, wobble.
So I'm testing all the legs, lo and behold, this loose leg. Like, come on! Time to get to work. Tools needed. An Allen key set in this case. Sometimes it's screw or bolts. In those cases you'll need a screwdriver or an adjustable wrench. And to make it really secure, medium strength Threadlocker. This makes sure bolts don't move unnecessarily. Here we have a kitty returning to the scene of the crime. She fits, she sits. This chair hides the bolts via this panel that uses Velcro. We can see this leg's bolts are barely holding on, which explains why it's so wobbly. I backed the bolts out by hand, just for ease, and we'll be taking the leg out. Some of these legs were in backwards, which doesn't help. Take the Threadlocker and put a small coat on each of these bolts, near the tip. This will evenly coat the bolt and nut to give the best amount of contact. In this chair, the wood is supposed to support the weight in tandem with the bolts. Line it all up and start screwing it in by hand. And make sure not to cross thread. Cross threading is when the bolt becomes hard to turn and it's going in wrong. Bolt should always start off easy. Now we're going to use the Allen key. You can use either end to tighten, but the long handle in your hand allows you to tighten it more than the short end in your hand. Now it's nice and planted like a sumo wrestler.
Hey!
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see ya next time.